So, the product rule. Let's get straight on into it. So, first of all, what is the product rule? Well, it's when we have two functions combining together to create a product function. So that's where two functions just come together to make one big function. And we can't differentiate them with what we already know, so we need to learn something else. And that is the product rule. So how do we differentiate this equation right here? Well, we use the product rule. Some very poor handwriting there for you. So, the product rule, what exactly is it? So, if we want to find the derivative of this function, f, let's take this part and this part as two separate functions. So we have gx and we have hx. So f dash x equals g dash x hx plus gx h dash x. So what it is the derivative of a function equals g dash x hx plus gx h dash x. Sorry. There we are. So let's apply it to this first function. Pardon me. So f dash x. So what is g dash x? It's easy. 3x squared. Put that in here. 3x squared times by sine x. Well, I've actually written it on the next page, as a matter of fact. So here it is. We've taken this here. F dash x equals g dash x hx plus gx h dash x. Sorry, it's a bit of a mouthful. And then we get two. That's incorrect. That is wrong. That's a problem with going fast on these things. So that becomes 3x squared plus x cubed cos x, because the derivative of hx, which is here, is the derivative of sine x, which is cos x. So 3x squared sine x plus x cubed cos x. Now we can actually simplify this, and you're going to learn how to simplify properly here and to what they want, because it takes just a bit of practice getting used to the questions, but this isn't a hard part of differentiation. So I'm going to change this. So simplifying 3x squared sine x plus x cubed cos x. There's a common factor here of x squared, so I'll put that outside brackets. X squared 3 sine x plus x cos x. And there we go. We have it. We have derived a more complicated function using the product rule. Let's take a look at another example. 2x minus 1 all times 10 minus x squared. So we can split it apart into two different functions. Now if we didn't know this product rule before, it would be impossible for us to do. Well, not impossible, but as soon as you're using more functions like this, the terms become much more complex, and it's just a whole hassle and confusion, and you can easily make a mistake. So, the derivative equals g dash x times by hx plus gx times by h dash x. So, g dash x is up here, which is 2, and h dash x is negative 2. I'll put that into a different colour. So there we go. And now we've replaced everything here. I'll put a different colour in that. Put it to green. And now this time we're going to multiply out these brackets as we usually would. So we've multiplied them out now to where we've got this. We've brought alike like terms, and we've got this equation here. It's simplifiable. These factors can all divide by 2, so we have this, and then we can simplify the expression within the brackets into 2 smaller brackets because it's a quadratic. And there we go. We have derived our second more complex equation. Now, this is a bit of a short lesson because I'm splitting up a part which is product and quotient rule, because I think you should take them individually more than mash them together. So, as usual, I'm going to give my proper advice. Study at free advanced higher maths.com. It's an absolute brilliant site for studying. You don't have to pay anything. I'm not being sponsored here. I just think it's a brilliant site, and I think anybody who's watching this should really take the advice that this is the best site to practice on, because they have the most past paper questions. You can search it by whatever topic you'd like. I've used this repeatedly for all of my maths revision, and guess what? I've gotten an A every time, so read into that what you will. But thank you so much for watching today. I hope you're learning something. I hope I'm getting these facts in your head. I hope you're doing well on your tests. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Bye.